how it works. Simply touch the Preset button. Then scan your job on the camera. It's loaded automatically. Go ahead and inspect your job. Then touch Use Job and select the type of paper. Then click on Loop to select the IntelliTrax template. Just follow the green button. The ink keys are set automatically. The preset is done. Now touch Measure. The IntelliTrax vacuum maintains the sheet on the black rail. The head follows the color bar automatically. And look how cool! The Rutherford closed-loop software moves the ink keys to maintain color correction. Finally, touch Yes. Closed loop is done. You are ready to run safely.